You have a Sanyo Roku TV remote here and it's not working. Maybe you have one button or two buttons or several buttons that are not working. Maybe the power button's not working. Maybe the home button and the right here is not working. Or perhaps you're having like ghosting, where basically when you go here and you move over to the right once, it'll keep going, okay? It'll go another extra time or even go a couple times. It'd be as if the remote has a mind of its own. I'm going to give you 3 simple solutions, and most of you guys should be up and running by the end of this video, okay? So first thing to try is leave your TV on, okay? With TV on, go wherever it's plugged into, pull the plug, okay? Wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, plug it back in, turn the TV on, and see if your remote is working. If it's still down, then we're going to go to the next step here. So the next thing we're going to do here is go ahead and grab your remote, and what I want you to do is go ahead and take out both the batteries. And then once you have both batteries out, next thing is what I want you to do is where the power button is, I want you to press and hold this for 20 seconds. Press and hold, do not let go, all while the battery is out. So hold this for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds is up, let go of the power button and start with the power button. And what I want you to do is spam every single button on here. Because a lot of times what happens if you get like lotion or water, coffee, juice, dirt, lint that gets stuck in one of the buttons, it can cause all kinds of havoc on the rest of the remote as well. So keep spamming every single button on here, even on the side here, the mute button and the volume rockers. So go ahead and keep spamming them like crazy. Get them all nice and loose. Give it a couple bangs. Now, just put the batteries back in, but don't put the back plate on yet, okay? Just put the batteries in and then see if your remote is working, okay? If it's still down, then the next thing I want you to do the same thing again, okay? Go ahead and take the batteries out, press and hold this power button for like 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, let go. Then remember, start with the power button and spam every single button on here and just go crazy. Then give it a couple whacks. Put in the batteries and then see if the remote is working, okay? If you're still down, try to step a few more times, okay? If you're still down, the next thing I want you to do is do the same thing again, okay? But first, go ahead and get yourself a new pair of batteries, okay? It doesn't have to be brand new, just a different set, okay? Get a totally different set of batteries and then press and hold the power button here again. Press and hold for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, then go ahead and spam every single button and then put the new batteries that you have in, put it in there, and then turn your TV on and see if your remote is working. Now, at least 50% of you guys should have a working remote. If it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down so everybody can see. Good luck.